Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your subtitles in all caps on CapCut PC. Select your video, and I'm going to go to text here, and I'm going to select auto captions, and I'm going to select the language, and I'm going to select generate. Just waiting for that to load. There we go. So I'm just going to adjust the timeline a little bit. So as you can see, it's not all like caps lock. Make sure you select apply to all, and then you're going to select this uppercase, and maybe I'll add in like this too so you guys can see it clearly. But as you can see, it makes it all caps lock, as you can see. I said that already, but anyways, that's how you can make all of your captions caps lock. Just make sure you select apply to all, or else it's not going to be applied to all of your captions. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!